Okay, I'm gonna make some easy potato salad. So I'm starting off with 3 very large potatoes. I'm gonna cut these down into small little cubes and then boil these. These are gonna be boiled at a lovely high temperature, and we wanna keep an eye on these very carefully just to make sure that these don't overcook, because there's nothing worse than overcooked potatoes in potato salad. So we'll just pop all these in this bowl here. So I've got the water on already, and I've just got it on a lovely little rolling boil, nothing too hot. Along with this potato salad, I'm gonna have a few other salads, but in this one in particular, I'm gonna work off the ingredients that I have in front of me. So, I have the chives to start, a good handful of chives. Those are straight out the garden this morning from the gardeners. I'm gonna season with a bit of salt, a small bit of garlic powder, some whole grain mustard, and then I'm actually going to use sour cream to finish it. I'm not going to use the mayonnaise like people regularly would, just because I'm a bit of a fan of like sour cream, chive, dill. Like in the summer when the dill's out, oh, sour cream and dill I think is one of the best things ever. So once we've got all of our spuds cut up into nice equal sizes, equal is key here, so they cook at the same speed rather than getting all messed up. You can see that our water is boiling away lovely. With our chives, we'll collect these all up now. Because they're straight out of the garden, there are some small brown bits in there, so I'll pick those ones all out first. And then finely chop these. I like to get them all lovely equal sizes. I could do it super fast, but you know, I'm just having fun making them all looking good. Now, what I will do, I'll add most of these into the salad and mix it in with the ricotta. However, I'll keep some to the side just to use at the very, very end as a garnish as well. So, these ones will be my garnishes. This is what I will add to it. So then, potatoes on to boil. We'll let that go for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll check on them at 15 and we'll see where we are. So, let's take a look at these potatoes and see how they're getting on. The way I was always taught to check potatoes is to give them a stab with a knife. That's a tricky part. And then lift it up. And if the potato falls off the knife on the weight of gravity, then it's ready. And I am gonna say, because I can't grab any of these, that they are ready. Yes. Right. So, into a colander, pour off the hot water. What we're going to do with this, we're just going to leave that to cool over on the side. So now that my spuds are nicely chilled, we're going to get this this sour cream. We're going to throw all that in on top, big lump of it. We're going to get this chive. We're going to throw that in, all of it. Remember, we've kept some to the side. We're going to get a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and we're going to get a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Play it safe. And then a lovely lumped teaspoon of whole grain mustard. Then we'll give that a good mixing and we'll see what she's looking like. Looking good. Perfect. Might as well taste a bit. I can confirm it is delicious. So then, gonna put all this in this big bowl here. Scrape off all that deliciousness from around the edge. Get that in on top. And then we'll just take the remainder of our chive just to finish. Voila. Potato salad, good to go.